after Job had prayed for his friends, the Lord restored his fortunes and gave him twice as much as he had before. Job didn't pray about it for himself. He didn't pray, God, please return all of this to me. God, please don't treat me this way anymore. I promise I'll just change my life. I'll be even better, God, if you would just bless me. No, he prayed for his friends. See, there's a spiritual principle that when we take our eyes off of our own pain, when we take our eyes off of our own suffering and we begin to pray and minister to the needs of other people, then God ministers to our needs.